I'm alive.
Charlie, you can never come back. You can never come.
Oh. Charlie. Charlie. No. Look out. Charlie, no.
It's okay. It's okay, little buddy. It's me, Charlie.
Oh, Charlie, it's you. I saw Carface, and he was choking me. He was grabbing my neck, and I said, "Oh, hi, Charlie."
Hi.
Ah! Oh, Charlie! I said, "Oh, you're a ghost!" Whoa! Get back! Don't hurt me! Here, take my 9-piece ratchet set. My oil can. Go away without my Rolls-Royce hood ornament. Yeah.
I'm not a ghost. I'm not dead.
Please, I got a bad back. Don't touch. Quiet.
I'm not a ghost. I'm not dead. Now be quiet. I'm gonna take my hand away from your mouth, and you're gonna be quiet, aren't you? That's my pal. Will you shut up? Itchy, I'm alive. Look, the ghosts have fleas.
No, ghosts don't have fleas.
Right.
Charlie, it's really you. Oh, Charlie, but I saw the car and the river and your lifeless body flying through the air. Oh,
Itchy, what can
Charlie.
I say? It wasn't my time.
I'm so happy to see you, Charlie. You don't know how much I missed you. I said, boss,
Shut
and
up!
nobody came.
You want the whole world to know I'm back? You thought I was dead? So will Carface. But he rat killed me. Well, try to kill me. I'm gonna make him pay.
Oh, no, boss, we don't want to do that.
Yeah, we do. Listen, Itchy, I was always the brains of the outfit, wasn't I?
Yeah,
Well, when I left, he should have gone under.
that's it, boss. We'll go under. Deep under. They'll never
Oh,
find
I don't
us
want to go
again.
under. The operation grew. It got bigger and bigger. And now he doesn't want to share.
That's it, boss. We could share a nice little place in the Himalayas.
I hate the Himalayas.
Wait a minute. They got gambling. They got races.
So what?
Well, they even got a town called Tibet. You know, Tibet.
Oh.
Listen, boss, we can nab us a few llamas, a couple of mountain goats, open a track of our own.
You know, he's got
boss.
something up his sleeve.
Yeah, a gun.
And when I find out what it is, I'm gonna ruin him. I'm gonna make him suffer.
Oh,
slow. He'll be begging for mercy.
Well, I'm begging, but I'm begging that we get out of here. Listen, boss, Carface has got thugs, and they got muscles, knives, and he's got a monster in his basement.
What?
And boss, they feed it.
Monster?
Yeah, monsters. I said monsters.
Monster?